Hello class 10 students, today we are starting chapter number 13 and after this we have 3 more chapters left, but do not worry, you please go through the MCQ and try to understand the concept. Only just see the video of 10 minutes. So there won't be any more syllabus except these 4 chapters, and I'll be putting all the PDF and all the files on Google Classroom before the board final theory examinations. Okay, so let's start lesson number 13. Main topics are if statement and switch statement. Introduction. We have been seeing C programming for many days, and it is very clear that C programming is very basic and it is a sequential structure, means the execution starts from the main function, that is first line. Program is executed in the sequential manner. So in real life we want to execute certain statements based on condition, so we require to change the flow of the program. C provides this facility through special kind of statements that can change the sequence of the program. They are called decision structure statement. So sometimes in a programming we have to give so many options to the user, and user will select any of the options, and according to that we have to show the output. So this is called decision structure statements. This is called selective structure, branching statement, or decision making statements. C provides two basic types of decision structures, if and switch. Let's see the first if statement. It is very basic and it is very powerful. It is used to transfer control of instruction execution. So there are many ways to use simple if, then if else, then nested if, and else if ladder. See, I'll tell you, simple if is very simple. It's very simple. And second one is if else. If else means you have one condition. If this condition becomes false, then what will be executed? That is called if else. Third one, nested if. So you have many conditions. You have if statement, and inside it you have if statement, then it is called nested if. And in the case of else if ladder, you have so many conditions, and based on the correct condition, the execution there will be the execution of that statement. So in simple F students, you can see we write first if, and in the bracket we write the expression. For example, if A is greater than B, then statement block. In statement block we write the statements to be executed. So if the value of A is greater than B, then and then whatever we write inside this statement block will be executed. If the condition becomes false, then nothing will be executed. So when the condition becomes false, then we have to use the if else structure. Like, see, the condition if true, then this part will execute. If condition is false, then this part will be executed. In terms of nested if, we have one condition. If it is true, then it will come here. If the condition becomes false, then else part will execute, that is this part. So this is called nested if. In if else ladder, we have many if with the condition, like condition 1, if it becomes true, then this statement. Condition true, condition number 2, if it is true, then this statement will be executed. If none of the condition is satisfied, then else part will be executed. Do not worry students, when we will see the program, then you will be able to understand it properly. Let's move to the switch statement. In switch statement, we have seen that if else ladder, in that case program becomes difficult to read and interpret the logic, because there are so many statements and it is very cumbersome to find out where is the logic. So to solve this problem and to take action based on the multiple choices, C language offers built-in facility called switch statement. Switch. So you can see this small program. Students, in the main function, the execution starts and main functions gets over here. We've taken one variable and we have given its value 3. Now we write switch and we pass this variable. Can I ask you one question? What is the value of the roll variable? Okay, the answer is 3. So inside this switch statement, you can see the starting and ending. Now we write the case number. So case 1, case 2, case 3, you can write any number of cases up to case 5 or case 10 or maybe case 100. So if whatever case is matched based on the number, let's say case number 3 is matched because here 3 is given, the value of roll variable is 3, so this case is matched. So what will be executed? I am John. If the value of roll number is 2, then I am Nikhil will be executed. If the roll number is 1, then I am Pankaj will be executed. But suppose there is no case 1, 2, 3, then what will happen? No student found will be executed. So this is called switch statement. Let's try to understand C programming using the C programming language. I will also show you the demo also in the later part. Students, we have taken two variables, a character type operator and integer number 1, number 2. Then we are printing one statement. Please select any arithmetic operator you wish. Then user will type from the keyboard, let's say a plus, minus or whatever operator. It will be saved in the C variable that we have taken, the operator variable, operator. Now next we are asking the user, please enter two values to perform arithmetic operation. And those two values we are saving under the number 1 and number 2. So first of all, when you run this program, what will be happen? You have to enter either plus, multiplication or division or any other operator. Then two numbers you have to enter. So after this, the programming will transfer whatever operator you have inserted from the keyboard. It will match the case. So in the previous case, we matched the roll number 1, 2, 3. In this case, we are matching the operator, that is plus, minus, multiplication, division, percentage, and if none of them is selected, then default will be executed. So you can see if the user has entered minus as an operator, then this case is matched. You can see the second case minus. So what will be the output? Subtraction of two numbers is percentage D. So number 1 minus number 2 will be the output. Suppose you are running this program and you have entered minus sign, then you have entered 10 and 5. So what will be the output? Subtraction of two number is 5, because here 10 minus 5 gives you 5. I hope you have understood this switch program. I know little complicated, but the concept is very clear. Out of many choices, one statement will be executed. Let's try one more program very quickly. So we have given the header file first, main function started, two variables AB and also the OP variable. Then we are printing the statement for addition press 1, subtraction 2, multiplication 3, division 4. So let's take two values A and B. We read from the keyboard. Now enter your choice. Suppose you have taken 1, then students, what is 1? That is addition. Now in the second one we will see we have chosen the op variable. So according to the case, if 1 is selected, then addition will happen. You can see here percentage D A plus B. If case 2 is selected, then subtraction will happen. Case 3, multiplication. Case 4, division. And if none of the case is matched, then enter your choice, enter your correct choice will be given. So this is a switch case program. I hope you have understood. If still there is doubt, I will try to upload the video of programming in my PC or laptop so that you can understand it properly.